This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and gaining a clean boot environment. Back up everything now. Once done, make a bootable USB installer for Windows or a live Linux tool. Disable BitLocker so the SSD can be wiped, and note your Windows product key if needed later. Reboot into BIOS/UEFI, confirm the drive is visible, and set USB as first boot. This gets you straight into the environment, where you can safely delete partitions on the SSD. Once you're in the installer or disk utility, pick the SSD by model and size. Double-check to avoid deleting the wrong drive. Use the delete or remove partition action to remove all Windows partitions, recovery partitions, and OEM data. After clearing, create a new partition table. Choose GPT for modern UEFI systems or MBR only if you need legacy support. Make a new partition if you plan to reinstall, or leave it unallocated if you want a full secure. To finish, you can perform a secure erase with manufacturer tools to zero the SSD, or quick format it in the installer if you're reinstalling Windows. Once done, verify the SSD shows correctly in BIOS/UEFI and in the installer before proceeding to install or power down. If the drive isn't recognized, make sure NVMe support is enabled, install proper SATA/NVMe drivers in the installer, and reseat the cable. This resolves most detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.